Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to guide you the way how you can know the time difference between your country to another country only with your iPhone. So you just need to slide your screen into the app library, and the application that we will use today is clock. So you just need to type clock on it and just open it. So you can see that in the clock there will be a lot of sections here. So the smart features of the iPhone that you can use to know about the time difference between your country to another country is the word clock. Just go tap it. Now if you want to know about the time difference between your country to another, just go to this plus button, and then you just need to pick which country that you want to know it. So let's say I want to know about the Abu Dhabi of United Arab Emirates. So you just need to tap it, and they'll be shown here the Abu Dhabi times. So on my country it will be 9 at night. So in the Abu Dhabi itself, it's in the evening or afternoon at 6. So yeah, that is the way, guys, how you can understand or know about the time difference. That will blink here. It's minus 3 hours from your times that you have on your country. This one means that your time will be plus this 2.5 minutes or half hours compared to your country. So that is the way how you can do these things on your iPhone. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.